Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the alignment and UV rotation attributes in the Surface Noise node. From the Mesh Nodes menu, drag a surface node. Set the scene, object, and size attribute. Drag a Surface Noise node. Connect. Drag a Surface Bake node. Connected. Drag a Scene Textures node. Set the debug shader to albedo. Drop an image in the node graph viewport. Connect it to the surface noise image input. Set the shape type to image. Set the image tiles to 1 and 1. Set size to 10 and 10. Set blending to 1 to remove any patch overlapping. Set density to 1. Set strength to 1 and 1. Set mask to 0. Set value to maximum. By default, all patches have a random rotation that covers all directions. The UV rotation attribute controls the range of rotation of the patches. With a UV rotation of 0 to 0, all patches are aligned to the meridian lines of a sphere. The alignment attribute controls the direction of the alignment sphere. This is how you can use the UV rotation and alignment attributes in the Surface Noise node. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Discord, Twitter, Blue Sky, and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.